Okay, um, welcome to the next segment of Your Pond Guy. Last we talked about getting to know your fish. And why do we want to get to know our fish? Well, one, because it's more enjoyable experience, but two, so that you can pick up on the subtleties of what's going wrong when things are going wrong. Because the sooner you can catch a problem, the easier it is to resolve. So these next videos I'm going to do all on fish health and care and taking care of them for a couple reasons. One, it's really hard to find a vet that knows anything or will come out, and bagging your fish up and taking them to the vet is pretty tough. And I know there's a lot of you out there that you're just left with do what you can. So the more information that you have to arm yourself, the better. Now, standard disclaimer, I'm not a vet, never was a vet, never had any practical formal training of any kind whatsoever. Everything I'm telling you is from my experience and what I learned from the people I worked with and taking care of fish. So it tends to be a little bit aggressive. There'll be a lot of you that say, oh, cat. Yeah, thanks, cat. A little bit of my approach is aggressive. I go right at it, and my philosophy is twofold. One, if the fish is still swimming, it's got a chance, so you can fix it. And bury your mistakes. You know, do the best you can, and it's not always going to work. Sometimes you're going to lose. But no harm in trying, and you'll learn by trying and take notes. And what did you do? For example, I used to use malachite green at 1 part per million. Took all my notes with it, and what did I do, and how did it work? And then one day I used malachite green at 1 part per million, and I killed a bunch of fish. So I thought, maybe back off and reduce my dose to 1/2 part per million. So there's your standard disclaimer. I'm going to get right into just standard treatments, the most common things, what you can do, how to do things, and then we'll talk about some of the more complicated things that you might have to deal with also. Okay, so until next time, I'm your Pond Guy.